On the workbench today, we have the Haiboxing 18th scale. We had a subscriber, a supporter, reach out and say, "Hey, I need to replace the servo on this. How do you replace the servo in this thing?" And so mine's not broken yet, at least. And so we're going to take this apart and we're going to do a how-to video on how do you replace the servo in this 18th scale Haiboxing. Follow along. So in general, this does not look like this is going to be a super difficult job. We obviously have 3 screws right up here at the top that look like they actually hold the servo down. You normally have to get this linkage and or the servo horn off of the servo. And then obviously we're looking at unplugging it out of the receiver ESC combo that's here. We're going to see if this top plate needs to come off or not. It may not. We might be able to wiggle all this out without having to take that apart. So the first steps that we're going to get at, Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to take these 3 screws out. Okay, and with those 3 screws out, we can now see that the servo appears to be free. So it's going to be free just enough for us to get our other Phillips in there and get that servo horn off. But one thing I want to note is, one of the things that we're going to do in order to help us is note that with the servo horn on and the wheel straight, the servo horn is straight up and down. All right, and so that's going to help us know where we need to put that servo horn on as we go to put the new servo back into it. So we're going to pull this up. I'm going to come over here. Might be beneficial to take that front tire off if you need to, but it looks like you can get it just enough to get the servo horn off. It looks like it has a little bit of a servo saver, so careful with that spring. And then this comes off. There's your 2 halves. Servo is free. And if you follow the wiring over to this other side, you will see that it is this big plug. I'm going to use a small screwdriver and see if I can't help it work its way up. I always hate these small plugs. I always feel like I'm about to break them. And so just like that, then this actually is just a little bracket that it's in underneath here. You can free the wire from out from underneath it, and your servo is now free. You can get a brand new one, and the installation is going to be the reverse. As we start the installation, we are going to slide the wire in and over. You'll notice that the wire should really only go in one way. The pins are on one side here. And you can always take pictures, always refer back to it. But you can always see what you did prior. You took it apart. There we go. So that is now in. Now the difference is we put it back together. We're going to turn our controller on, and we are going to power this up. Let's get the wires over here. We're going to power the whole vehicle on, because that centers the steering. And you can confirm, I don't know if you can hear that there on the video or not, but you can actually hear the servo work. And so at that point then, we know that this servo is centered. Once we know that servo is centered, then this the servo saver goes on with the ridges here up and down vertically. That is centered. And then we will get this rest of the servo saver up and out of the car. And we'll get this in. Start the screw. Everything just the reverse of how we took it out. All right, and at this point we can confirm, yes, again, the servo does work. All right, and so then we're going to power everything back off. No reason to keep it powered up while we're finishing the rest of this of the job. Flip this over. get our handy dandy little bracket that we had before. All right, and just like that, we now have the working servo back in our 18th scale Haiboxing vehicle. Simple as that. If you have any questions, if you're looking at this, if you're trying this and you have any issues or anything, feel free to shoot me a comment down below. I monitor those pretty well. I'm happy to help out, troubleshoot if you have any issues. So hope that was useful. If anybody needs it out there, I appreciate your support. Click that subscribe button down below. And while we're working on some other videos, we're trying to look maybe at some hop-ups and some upgrades that we're going to do on these 18th scale. So get ready for that. Come over here and check out some of the other videos that we have going on. So thank you again for your time. Goodbye.